Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English. Repeat. And usage examples. And she likes apples and oranges. He is smart and handsome. They are singing and dancing at the party. He plays the guitar, and his sister sings. I cooked dinner, and she washed the dishes. Repeat. Also. Usage examples. Also, they have a cat. They also have a dog. You have a dog. They also have a dog. She reads a lot. She also likes to play tennis. He likes to play tennis. She also likes to play tennis. Repeat. Two. Usage examples. Two. She reads a lot. She likes to play tennis, too. He likes to play tennis. She likes to play tennis, too. I love pizza. I love pasta, too. My brother speaks English. I speak English, too. We watched the movie. Our neighbors watched it, too. Repeat. But. Usage examples. But. The dog is small but strong. I wanted to go to the party, but I was too tired. She is very smart, but she can be lazy. I like the color of the dress, but it's too expensive. He studied a lot, but he didn't pass the exam. Repeat. Or usage examples. Or, do you prefer coffee or tea? You can go by train or by bus. Is it black or white? He didn't know if it was day or night. Should I turn left or right? You can call me, or I will call you. Do you want to eat now, or do you want to wait? Repeat. Because usage examples. Because I can't go to the party because I have to work. He is happy because he passed his exam. I need a new car because mine is very old. She didn't get the job because she was late. Repeat. So usage examples. So it was raining, so we stayed home. I was tired, so I went to bed early. She missed the bus, so she was late. He didn't study, so he failed the exam. Repeat. First. First. Usage examples. First. First, let's clean the house. First, wash your hands. First, we'll visit the museum. Then we'll have lunch. First, I want to thank everyone for coming today. You need to save money. First, stop spending on things you don't need. Repeat. Then. Usage examples. Then. I woke up, then I ate breakfast. We had lunch, and then we went to the park. He finished his work, and then he watched TV. First we cooked, and then we ate. Repeat. After. Usage examples. After. I always feel happy after I exercise. I will call you after I finish my work. He went to bed after he finished his homework. She fell asleep after she read a book. Repeat. Before. Usage examples. Before. I brush my teeth before I go to bed. She left the house before I arrived. We need to leave before it gets dark. She wants to call him before he goes to work. Repeat. When usage examples. When I remember when we met for the first time. She always smiles when she sees me. Let me know when you are ready. I was not at home when they arrived. Repeat. Now. Now. Usage examples. Now. First, let's look at the map. Now let's plan our route. We've finished the lesson. Now let's do an exercise. You know the rules. Now let's start the game. I explained the plan. Now, do you have questions? Repeat. Finally. Finally. Usage examples. Finally. First we cooked, then we ate. Finally we washed the dishes. She cleaned the house, cooked dinner, and finally relaxed. First I woke up, then I got dressed. Finally I left for work. We visited the museum, had lunch, and finally went home. Repeat. If usage examples. If you work hard, you will succeed. She will be upset if you don't call her. If it rains, we will stay at home. You can go to the party if you finish your homework. Repeat. Although usage examples. Although he was tired, he didn't go to bed. Although she is young, she is very smart. Although the film was long, I liked it. He passed the exam, although he didn't study much. She doesn't like coffee, although she drinks it every morning. Repeat. In fact. Usage examples. In fact. She looks young, but in fact she is 40 years old. He seems shy. In fact, he loves talking to people. I don't like coffee. In fact, I never drink it. Everyone thinks he is rich. In fact, he has no money. Repeat. For example. For example. Usage examples. For example. For example, you could visit Rome or Venice. Some vegetables, for example, carrots and broccoli, are very healthy. What could we do this weekend? Go hiking, for example? There are many sports you could try. Swimming or cycling, for example. Repeat. Such as. Such as. Usage examples. Such as. I like fruits such as apples, pears, and bananas. Do you enjoy sports such as tennis? We visited cities such as Paris and Rome. He likes animals such as dogs and cats. She wants to try activities such as painting or dancing. Repeat. Like. Usage examples. Like? She sings like a professional. He is tall, like his father. The house is white, like snow. He walks like a robot. Can you write a short text using 2 linking words? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.